History. In the late 40s and early 50s, computer programs were entered by flicking switches. It was quickly realized how inefficient and slow that was, and computer languages soon appeared. Thousands of programming languages have been invented since then, many as PhD research projects, but only few have been really successful. Through the 60s and 70s, these languages, Fortran, COBOL and BASIC. In 1957, the first of major languages appeared in the form of Fortran. Its name stands for Formular Translating System. The language was designed at IBM for scientific computing. The components were very simple and provided the programming with low-level access to the computer's innards. Today, this language would be considered restrictive as it only includes if, do, and go-to statements. But at the time, these commands were a big step forward. Language do. A programming language is used to write computer programs such as application, utilities, service, system programs. A program is written as a series of human-understandable computer instructions that can be read by a compiler and linker and translated into machine code so that computer can understand and run it.
What is C programming language? In computing, C is a general-purpose programming language initially developed by Dennis Ritchie between 1969 and 72 at AT&T Bell Labs. Its design provides constructs that map efficiently to typical machine instructions, and therefore it found lasting use in applications that had formerly been coded in assembly language. Most notably system software like the Unix computer operating system. C is one of the most widely used programming languages of all time, and there are very few computer architectures for which a computer compiler does not exist.
What is Java? Java is a computer programming language. It enables programs to write computer instructions using English-based commands instead of having to write in numeric codes. It's known as a high-level language because it can be read and written easily by humans. Like English, Java has a set of rules that determine how the instructions are written. These rules are known as its syntax. Once a program has been written, the high-level instructions are translated into numeric codes that computers can understand and execute. Who created Java? In the early 19th, Java was created by a team led by James Gosling for Sun Microsystems. It was originally designed for use on digital mobile devices such as cell phones. However, when Java 1.0 was released to the public in 1996, its main focus had shifted to use on the internet. It provided more interactivity with users by giving developers a way to produce animated web pages. Over the years, it has evolved as a successful language for use both on and off the internet. A decade later, it's still an extremely popular language with over 6.5 million developers worldwide.
What is it, PHP? PHP is probably the most popular scripting language on the web. It is used to enhance web pages. With PHP, you can do things like create usernames and password login pages, check details from a form, create forms, picture galleries, surveys, and whole lot of more. If you've come across a web page that ends in PHP, then the author has written some programming code to liven up the plain old HTML. PHP is known as server-side language. That is because the PHP doesn't get executed on your computer, but on the computer you requested the page from. The results are then handed over to you and displayed in your browser.